it's a curve, so it matches the shape of the ball. It sits there, and that stops it from basically rolling off or getting damaged. If it was sitting flush on it, because the lens ball is so delicate, it would just get scratched. But so you can kind of see the, inadvertently, not the best way to demo a lens ball, but you can see how the actual crystal ball appears in there. So that's the whole concept of the lens ball. You're taking it, you're putting it in front of an image you want to capture, and that image you want to capture becomes in the ball, essentially. So if you want to capture, a building, or, look, I've got a watch here. This is all impromptu, guys. It's a broken watch. All right, so say, for example, if you had the watch there, you can see it's not the ideal effect, but you can see basically you get the effect of appearing that that object is essentially in your lens ball. So then all you do, because it's a light refraction, so it reverses the image. So then you can just go into a photo editor and just flip the image on the inside around, and then it's basically centered. So you can do that with a lens ball. So it's pretty cool.